let that hip thrust come through. Well, it's a whole situation around the pandemic, it's a whole situation around the world, and 67% of us are actually still in the house. We're not going nowhere, we're not going to the gyms, people are still like taking precautions or whatever, and people are at home. So what do? As I was starting this journey, I was actually at 100 pounds, and I made sure that I wanted to eat well and proper, and now I am at almost 120 pounds. I couldn't be so excited, but you can see that I grew my glutes, not anywhere else, but where I actually wanted them to grow, in my glutes. So what did I do? I will tell you, it's a 1, 2, 3 process, because I haven't been in a gym for a long time. I tried to use stretch bands. I put in the work every single day, but I did not do it more than 20 minutes. I did not want to stress myself. I did not want to give, and that's what you have to do. You have to care enough for yourself that you do not put way too much pressure for yourself if you're not there yet. You have to consistently just do the thing. Put as much as you can. I only put 20 minutes, and sometimes I just felt like this is just way too much. I just did like 10 reps or 20 reps. And that's all I did. But I ate very well. I drank my water. I ate very well. I ate my carbohydrates. I ate a lot of new foods, but I ate consistently, and I started taking my vitamins. And I will put up another video to just healthy eating and stuff like that. My moods were better. I feel better. I feel good. So growing your glutes, I listened to a lot of people on YouTube, and I found out that there is only like very few girls that I can actually listen to. But one of the most important things for you to do is actually learn how to stretch out. Once you stretch out, stretch your muscles out, relax, learn how to breathe, and then get into the exercise. So during the 4th, 5th, and 6th day, that's what I do. I learned that because at the beginning, when I was trying to do these exercises, I could not feel my glutes. I was just doing them. I felt the stretch bands, but I could not feel the glutes. So as I went on working out, and I realized, oh no, I needed to stretch out my body, relax, breathe in and out, probably drink some pre-workout energy, and for me that would be a green juice. Then I got into it. Then I could feel my glutes. I felt them burning, and I relaxed and rested. I actually did not do the glute workout every day. I wish I did. I worked out one day and I rested the next. There's some days I did like Monday and Tuesday like continuously, but I did rest like a day and another day, like in between I tried to rest. So I did not do like a 2 full week, but I did like at least a week and a half fully. That's what I did. I hope you liked this video. If you have any more questions, I know that you need, like, if you need any more detailed thing, or you have questions, then I will definitely be glad to share.